close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey everyone, I'm Karen. Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome. I'm Karen. It's so very nice to meet you. Guys, this is going to be a video you're going to want to stick around and watch. I've got a giveaway, and I'm going to do something that I don't think I've ever seen anyone do before. You all know that when launch day comes, it's huge because we all want Jeffree Star's products, right? And a lot of the times, I've been there too. You don't get through on the website, or you feel like it tells you your spot's being held only to have something being sold out and taken out of your cart, or to come to launch day and not be able to have the money because something else has happened. So many of you guys have shared those things with me, and it has broken my heart. So I wanted to do something different. Guys, I got up and decided I was going to go to the Morphe store. So I did that. It's launch day. I got up at 1 o'clock in the morning. I actually went to bed at like 11, got up at 1 o'clock in the morning, okay, Friday, and I drove from South Carolina to North Carolina to the Morphe store to pick up a palette. And while I was there and I picked up my palette, which I really love, I got to experience meeting some new people, and I got to see what it was like in the Morphe store, with Jeffree. I've only been in one other Morphe store. You know, they had the products there. It was just a really great experience. There was a line, you know, it was cold, but was it worth it? Yes. Do you want to know why? I got you one. I did. I had to do it. I got you guys the Bloodlust palette, and oh my goodness, I care about you guys so much, and I just wanted someone to have this experience with me. Yes, I went through all of this. I even dragged my daughter out of school, and she, of course, she didn't mind. She played hooky, right? So this was our mommy-daughter time. I don't go on vacations. I'm a mama of 4. You guys know the drill, okay? You know what happens there, all right? So makeup and Jeffree Star, my life. That's just how it is. Anyone else like that? Come on now, give me a wave emoji. So I decided that it's launch day, and I got home and it was at 1 o'clock, and it's 2 o'clock right now. Okay, so I know, and I was not on the website because I got this. So I have no idea if it crashed, if everybody's orders went through, if they're gonna ship on time, or what, right? So I'm gonna do a giveaway, but guess what? It's gonna be a giveaway to where this is how it's gonna happen. Today's Friday. It's going to start from the time that this video uploads and Monday morning. Do you want to know why? Because I want to ship it to you priority 2 to 3 days, whatever winner that is. And do you know why I want to do that? Because before, everyone orders it online unless you can get to a store, and there's not a lot of us that have Morphe stores close to us, right? So while we're doing this and we're waiting online and going through all this stuff, and then we're waiting for everything to be shipped, we're trying to find videos online to see what it's like because, you know, we can't wait, or we've been through. It's just so frustrating if we didn't get one. Don't you want to have one before he even ships his launches? Wouldn't that be such a blessing to have? I think it would be. I feel so blessed right now. I was actually gifted money to get these products, and I want to share one with you. I want you to have the same experience that I did. I want you to have a palette before everyone else gets theirs. I don't care if you're a YouTube creator and you want to upload your first look with it. I don't care if you just want to play with it before everyone else does, because I know what that means. It means the world to me to be able to have this in my hands right now, not have to worry about launch day. And maybe you just had a really bad day and you didn't get anything. And guess what, guys? When this drawing ends Monday, I'm going to ship it out 2 to 3 days priority. Now, mind you, you've got to be in the US because I cannot guarantee anything outside of the US. But you'll have it this coming week. How awesome is that? You'll have a brand new palette in your hands this week before anybody else gets theirs, unless they got theirs at the Morphe store today. Everybody else would be waiting for their items to come in the mail, or unless you're lucky and you got PR. So why not? One of you that's just like me, a hardworking person, you know, whether you're a mom, whether you're a dad, whether you're just getting into makeup, whether you've been through these launches before and had your heart broken, and so many of us have been there. I've been blessed. I want to bless you. So here's how you enter. You must be subscribed to my channel. And if you're new, it's okay. Just hit that subscribe button, take a chance on this channel, and you're automatically entered. Once you comment down below, leave me an IG handle or an email so I can get in touch with you, because as soon as this contest ends, which is going to be Monday night at midnight, I'm going to need to get in contact with you to get your information so I can ship this out. Priority 2 to 3 days tops. You'll have it by the end of the week. I don't know when Jeffree's going to start shipping his launches, probably sometime next week, but I want you to have this in your hands before anyone else gets theirs. So what do you think? You guys know that I love you and care about you, and I feel so blessed to have this in my hands right now and to finally have been able to get to the store for the first time and not have to go through all of that stuff online. And I just feel for you. I know that you guys, we all love Jeffree. We have grown spoiled to his products, and if you haven't tried his products, you want to try his products. So I really want to give back to you. There's nothing else I really have to say, and other than you obviously know how much I care about you, and that's why I am doing this. It's going to be like what? That'll be a 72-hour giveaway. And then the answer, the winner announced Monday, and then you're going to go ahead and give me your address, and you're going to have this by the end of the week. Hell yeah! That's exactly what I want to do. So just be 18 years or older, or have a parent's permission. You can read the official rules in the description box below. If you want to share out this video, I would appreciate it. It's not required. I just want you to be happy. I want you to feel how I felt today. That is what I want for you. And like the video, leave me a comment and a way to get in touch with you. And if you have any other questions, please put them down below. I love you guys so much. Please look for a tutorial soon with this, my first impressions, all of that stuff. It's going to be up and coming. I wanted to get this up right away because I want to pick a winner and I want to get it out to you, and I want you to be so feeling so blessed and so excited, just like I am right now. So thanks so much for joining me for this video. I do love you guys so very much. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye, guys, and good luck to you.
I don't want to miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on